Obviously, this is very poor for them to come swim.
And are they not in there today because of the weather, or they're just not keen on swimming?
So these ones are very lazy.
Oh, are they?
So just go
Okay.
in whenever they want.
Okay.
We can't
Okay.
really force them, so yeah. Do you want to do it now?
You want to take us there still?
Yeah.
Let's
Or
go.
do you want to do that now and then go back?
No, let's go. Yeah. It's,
So because I mentioned that of the avian influenza going on, so we have to separate some of the birds.
Okay.
So this would be for the ones we test and those that we do not test. So we have these two containers. This is for tested birds, and that's for.
so there's full medical facilities here, the whole story.
Yes.
Sure.
We get birds from the island. We test them for any disease.
And are these all volunteers here today?
Volunteers and interns. Yes. So
Are you volunteering? No,
No,
this
I'm not volunteering,
this is
yes.
your job. Okay. Hey, this is so rad. Hello. How are you?
This bleach cream. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, yeah, some interesting. Check how lively they look. So, are they? What's going on here?
So this is the rehabilitation side.
Okay.
So this place is divided into three parts. The first part would be ICU.
Yeah.
The middle part would be the nursery, and this would be rehab. So in the nursery, if you had chicks, they'll be in the nursery. ICU will be all your injuries, like your shark bites, cell bites, leg injuries, flipper injuries, and any birds that come into the center, they'll be in ICU. And then those that have been at the center and are being rehabilitated, they'll be in rehab. So we always make sure they're separated so that we can feed them differently. And then that we also make sure they swim all differently. So that side, remember I said we tag the males and females?
Yes. Yeah.
So this side, we don't know who's male and female because we don't do the DNA test.
Yeah.
So the red tags are your 1 hour swimmers, and then the blue tags are your 20-minute swimmers. So we
Okay.
grade them by swimming. So we
So when you say 1 hour, what's the difference between 1 hour and the lesser part? Are they becoming more well when they can swim longer?
yes. So if
Okay.
you're a 1 hour swimmer, that means you're great. That means you
Okay.
more chances of you being released back earlier into the water.
Okay. Okay.
So we close the
That
gates
guy
and
looks
open.
like he wants to get to the wild now.
He's a 1 hour swimmer, so he must stay there.
You see?
So they swim
Okay.
3 times a day.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
means 3 hours swimmers, and then 20 minute swimmers
Understood.
will be out.
So that all works on a timing system where you.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. And when you say ICU, do you mean that all of the stuff that happens in relation to these animals have to include water because of them being sea life?
Yeah, so it has to do with that, and also how we feed them. For example, do you see where's this?
Can we go around this corner here? No, we can't. Okay.
So, for example, some of those birds have leg injuries.
Okay.
If we can't save their legs, unfortunately, we have to amputate them. So
Sure.
hence we're in ICU because we have to monitor those legs
Yeah,
until
yeah,
they're
yeah,
fine,
yeah.
and then we can move them to rehab.
Okay,
As you
understood.
can see, that one with the purple bandage there.
There on the
Yeah.
far left, standing on that thing, yeah?
Yeah, so that one is amputated.
So does he get used to walking
Yes.
again,
they
and he
get used to
becomes a
walking, and
permanent
then
member of the?
No, we release them back into the wild.
Even
So
though
they
he
can
can't
still
walk.
survive with one leg because they
Okay,
don't need their legs for swimming
Okay,
because they use their
understood.
flippers.
understood. All right. Okay, let's go and adopt a penguin.
Okay.
Um,
This way.
this is the rehab. The last release was on the 11th of February,
And the last intake as well.
and the last intake, and then this is all what's going on
Yeah.
inside here right now. So there's CRU, 4 gannets, 2 penguins, nursing 0. There's 8 gannets, 7 penguins in ICU. There's 6 in rehab. 1 hour there's 3. 20 minutes there's 2. No force there's 1. Quarantine there's 2 penguin chicks. I think this is amazing.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. And then this is where we always need more hands with the volunteering. Some are cleaning, some are making food in the kitchen, and laundry as well because we do laundry for the penguins.
Do you have volunturism coming? In other words, people paying to come out here to help?
Yes. So the international volunteers,
Is that them, eh?
one of them.
Okay.
So some of them are.
So when we start, I'm going to bring a fundraising mechanism down here to PE, which somebody's going to run for me.
Yeah.
I think we should put some of the proceeds here,
Okay.
which means that I'll need to get printed pamphlets and stuff for awareness out in the marketplace.